Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at two must-have products from Baseus. First up, we got the Baseus Blade HD Laptop Power Bank. Now this one is going to run you $99.99. The Blade HD is a high-density version of the Blade Power Bank, 10% lighter and 17% smaller than the last version. With a slim profile of 0.7 inches, it easily fits into any bag while supporting simultaneous charging for up to 4 devices. Okay, so this one is lighter and thinner design, 100-watt power delivery, status at a glance, emergency charging, and two-way fast charging. $99.99. Okay, so this is excellent backup power for laptops, upgraded battery cell, small current mode, safety precautions. Okay, let's see for this one. Now this one is 18 millimeters thin, 10% lighter, and 17% smaller. Compact and portable, fits in all your bags. You got exquisite texture, smooth round corners, non-slip design. Now here's the power delivery. The two USB-A ports, 30 watts max power each. And the two USB Type-Cs, 100 max. Now if you're using dual ports, you can do 30 and 30 or 65 and 30. If you're doing triple ports, you can do 65 and 15. Okay, and if you're doing quadruple ports, all going to be 30. But for single ports, max power, 100 watts. Now for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is 20,000 milliamps. So that means you could charge up 2.8 times and up to 55% in about 30 minutes. For a MacBook Pro 14, okay, up to 47% charge in 30 minutes. And for your iPad Pro 2021, up to 39% in about 30 minutes. Okay, this is a big boy power bank right here. So you got your smart digital display, remaining battery level, charging power, and the charging time. And here's the full specs. Now here's the old version. This one is actually a lot lighter. Okay, $99.99 on this one. All right, Blade HD series. Now y'all seen me review Baseus products before. I highly recommend them. Quality products right here. Here we go. Right. Okay, 100 watts. Nice matte feel on this, no fingerprints. Nice and lightweight. Easily drop this in your bag. You got your power button, 2 USB-As, 2 USB Type-Cs. Okay, let's see if we got any juice on this one. 38%. Digital display. Now it also comes with USB-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Look at this, a nice little pouch right here for traveling. And of course, usual books and shit, plug them and follow them. All right, so let's grab some products and charge them up. All right, so this is another one of those simple and effective tech products. They ain't really too much to talk about. So let's go ahead and charge up some stuff. Now, if I want the full 100 watts, okay, we're going to plug in one cable, charge it right to the laptop. As you can see, it's charging up. And if you look closely, the laptop is charging up. Now let's try more devices at once. All right, so now let's try a laptop and a tablet. So we're going to plug in the Galaxy laptop. Okay, you see it's charging up. And you got the display. And let's try a tablet. Now this is a big iPad. Charging up as well. Now let's try even more devices. All right, so for this test, we want to take full advantage of the 4 ports. So let's charge 4 devices at the same time. So if you see, it's charging. Now we'll grab a Pixel. As you can see, this one is charging up. Let's grab Galaxy. As you can see, this one is charging up also. We got to unlock it. That one is charging up. We got an iPhone. This one is charging up. And we got a tablet. This one is charging up also. So charge 4 devices at the same time with the digital display. Let's do one more test. Now here's why this is the perfect travel accessory. I'm charging up 4 devices at the same time. So if you see, digital display, got my battery percentage and my charging speeds. I'm charging up some earbuds. We got Galaxy phone, charging up. We got iPhone, charging up. And we got a Bluetooth speaker, charging up. Now remember, this is 100 watts total output, so you can charge your laptop, your tablet, your headphones, your camera, whatever you got. This is pretty dope. So this is the Blade HD. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got another epic, simple, and effective tech product. We got the Baseus 17-in-1 3 monitors docking station. Now this one is going to run you $99.99. Let's go through the features. 17-in-1 docking station. Made for multitasking up to 3 monitors, fast transmission and stable network, smart and safe, broad compatibility. Now check out all of the ports. This is triple display, USB-C docking station. Okay, 3 monitors at once. You got a 3.5 audio. You got 2 USB Type-Cs. You got 3 USB 3.0s. You got an SD and a TF card reader. You got an RJ45 Ethernet. You got your DC 12 volts, that's your power. You got 3 HDMIs. You got 2 more USB 2.0s and 2 USB Type-C, PDs, and PC. Okay, all of those ports in one docking station. Okay, let's see anything we need to see here. Triple mirror mode, okay, for Windows and Mac. Go to the website, read all of the specs for yourself. Again, simple and effective tech. So this is the Union Joy 17-in-1. Now this is the ultimate docking station. Let's see what you get inside. Now let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? Here we go. One more. Okay. Now this is going in my office immediately. Another Baseus product, so you know that means top quality. Okay. Look at all these juicy ports. We'll go through these in a minute. Now it does come with this thick Baseus cable. This is going to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Okay, different plugs for depending on what country you're in. I'm going to rock with the USA. Okay, here's the bottom of the station. And here's the plug. I'll put that together. And of course, usual books and shit, plug them and follow. All right, so let me go ahead and set this up. All right, so here's how this is going to look set up on your desktop. Now in the front, when it's powered up, you see a little LED. There's your headphone jack, 2 USB Type-Cs, USB 3.0. You got 3 of those. You got a micro SD card slot and a full-size SD card. On the back, you got PC, PD, USB 2.0, 2 more of those, 3 HDMIs, and your RJ45. Simple and effective tech. Now I'm going to connect this to a laptop and we'll plug in a monitor. All right, so this product is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Now I don't have to go through all of the ports and show you how they work. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but I want to show you that it does work. So you see from my laptop, we got nothing connected. Okay, no HDMIs, no USBs, nothing. Now I'm going to connect this USB Type-C cable right into the laptop, and it's connected to the back of the hub. We got a second monitor right here. And there it is. Second monitor popped up. As you can see, my mouse is plugged in, so I can use my mouse. Let's go to the internet real quick. If I want to do a little shopping, take it over to Amazon. And there it is. Now I also have an SD card in here. Let's go to my SD card reader. Let's go to, let's see. Okay, SD. And some videos that I shot. Let's see what the last video I did. Okay, the Pixel. Okay. Well, this is pretty dope. Okay, so this is the ultimate USB Type-C desktop hub. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving both of these Baseus products a major go. The Blade HD, 100 watts, charge 4 devices at the same time. This is definitely going in my travel bag. And the Union Joy, 17 ports, 3 HDMIs. This is going on my desktop immediately. Anyway, simple and effective tech. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer and special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. I already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.